Hallo, guten Morgen. Wie geht es euch? Heute fangen wir Adjektiv Deklination. Das ist unsere Grammatik-Teil. Und das Buch ist Beste Freunde. Und die Lektion ist die grünen Bohnen. Adjektiv Deklination. Was bedeutet man von Adjektiv Deklination? Fangen wir an. Ein Beispiel. Wir beginnen mit Sandra ist schön. Hier kann man sehen, Adjektiv steht nach dem Nomen. That means adjective comes after the noun. There we don't need ending of the adjective. In German language, we have the endings in the adjective depending upon the gender of the noun. I want to tell you that we have already done that in German language, all the nouns are considered as, are categorized as into 4 categories that are masculine, feminine, neutrum and plural. When masculine is der, feminine is die, neutrum is das and plural is die again. So, if the noun is der, adjective will take the ending of er, and noun is die, adjective will take the ending e, and if the noun is das, adjective will take the ending es, and if the noun is plural, it will take the ending again e. Here we can see that adjective schön means beautiful. It comes after the noun Sandra. So then we don't need to give this adjective any ending. Sandra is a noun and it's a proper noun. There is no article of proper noun. Here adjective steht nach dem Nomen means adjective comes after the noun. That means we don't need to give adjective any ending. But in the second sentence, if we see, it is Sandra ist eine schöne Frau. Here you can see schöne is adjective and it is coming before the Frau. Frau is a noun. So Frau article is die Frau. Therefore, adjective schön is getting e as ending. So, because Frau is feminine, the adjective gets the ending e. Now, we have adjective endings in nominative article in the nominative case as well as accusative. In this class, we will deal adjective ending with the nominative case. First of all, we'll see bestimmt article, unbestimmt article, negative article, possessive article and owner article. We see gradually one by one. We'll take first of all bestimmt article. Bestimmt article, meine liebe Leute, my dear people, you know what is bestimmt article? Normally der, die, das, die. And whenever, see here, we can see der netter Mann arbeitet als Pilot. Es geht für die 2 Adjektiven auch. Which means, for example, netter Mann, the nice man works as a pilot. If I want to write nice young man, young and nice are the adjectives if there are 2 adjectives before noun, 3 adjectives before noun, it will take the ending e. Die schöne Frau ist Fotomodell. Die schöne kleine Frau ist Fotomodell. Here you can see schöne, kleine, both 2 adjectives are coming. And das kleine Kind ist fresh. Das kleine, süße Kind ist fresh. Die roten Rosen sind schön. The red roses are beautiful. And die roten, frischen Rosen sind schön. What we observe in this bestimmt article what we observe in this bestimmt article is thus that the adjective in every time is taking the ending. Adjective in every time is taking the ending as E. When there is bestimmt article, der nette Mann and die schöne Frau, das schöne Kind und so weiter. So, in nutshell, we can see or we can say that adjective ending in case of bestimmt article is only E. That means we can say der, die, das, die, der schöne, der nette Mann, die schöne Frau, das kleine Kind und you can see in the plural gibt es different Unterschied. Plural is different. Die roten Rosen. In every case you can see der, die, das. If it is der, die, das just before the adjective, it takes ending E. But in plural bestimmt article, if it is on the left side of the adjective, the ending comes as en. You see die roten Rosen sind schön. So let's go through a quick recap, which is bestimmt article nominative. Der nette Mann, die schöne Frau, das kleine Kind, die roten Rosen. Now let's come to the next part. Unbestimmt article. What happens to the adjective when on the left side of adjective is unbestimmt article? You know what is unbestimmt article? Ein, eine, ein. But for plural, you know there is no unbestimmt article. You know it very well. For plural, there is no unbestimmt article. Let us do. Er ist ein netter Mann. Sie ist eine schöne Frau. Das ist ein freshes Kind. And here you can see plural form gibt es hier in unbestimmt article nicht. So guys, here we can see three cases. Masculine is Mann, feminine is Frau, and das is Neutrum is Kind. In all the cases, we can see unbestimmt article is on the back side. On the back side is unbestimmt article, and back side is unbestimmt article and unbestimmt article. And the adjectives are taking the endings of, or we can say endings according to the article of the noun. For example, we can say that Mann has the article der, it will give the ending er, and Frau has the article die, it gives the ending e, and Kind has article das, it gives the ending s. So we go to the next slide. Unbestimmt article, er ist ein netter Mann, and a recap. A recapitulation of this is masculine, ein netter Mann, feminine, eine schöne Frau, and Neutrum, ein kleines Kind. Now, we see here, same way, we will go to the negative article, is totally like unbestimmt article. We can see ein, kein netter Mann, keine schöne Frau, kein freshes Kind, but it is different from unbestimmt article. When we see keine, the ending of adjective comes en, like definite plural article that we did earlier. Same, and then comes possessive article. You know what is possessive? Mein, dein, sein. So, mein netter Mann, meine schöne Frau, mein freshes Kind, and again like negative article, meine roten Rosen. So, we can see only unbestimmt article has no adjective ending. Rest, negative and possessive article have the ending en. Now, here we can say ohne article. Without article, what happens to the adjective? If there is no no article on the left side of the adjective. It takes the ending default like its article. The article of the noun. Mann ist der, netter Mann. Frau ist die, schöne Frau. Kleines Baby and rote Rosen. Now guys, it is the Wiederholung time. Let us see. Bestimmt Artikel, der nette Mann. Unbestimmt Artikel, negative possessive. Ein, kein, mein, netter Mann. Ohne Artikel, netter Mann. Feminin, die schöne Frau. Eine, keine, meine schöne Frau. Und ohne Artikel, schöne Frau. Neutrum, das kleine Kind. Ein kleines Kind, kleines Kind. Plural is die roten Rosen. You see the keine, meine roten Rosen. But here is no eine, no unbestimmt. And am Ende ist rote Rosen. So, hier machen wir Schluss. Und das ist alles. Tschüss, bis nächste Klasse. In the next class, we will deal with the adjective endung in accusative.